Hi everybody and welcome back to NJE Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious low-carb BLT wrap. So my husband and I decided that we are going to go on a low-carb journey, and we've tried keto before and it was okay, but then we ended up slowly just going back to a little bit more of a normal carb eating diet, but now we're just thinking that it's time again to really give it another good try and to be a little bit less strict with ourselves and just be low carb instead of strictly keto. I got these at Walmart and they're actually low carb flour tortillas. It's 6 grams of net carb per tortilla. Okay, so here I have my low carb flour tortilla. First thing I put on is some salad mix. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato onto mine. Brian's not the biggest fan of tomato, so we're gonna skip that for him today. Here we have some Hellmann's olive oil mayonnaise dressing. And we're running a little bit low on this. I need to go to the store and get some. The bacon. And you just roll it like you would a wrap or a burrito. There you have it, a BLT wrap. Yum, low carb, delicious lunch. See you next time.